everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a dollhouse tour. So I wanted to do this dollhouse because I had a lot of dolls that were just waiting to be housed, and I wanted to give them a nice place to live. And so I got this 5-shelf unit from Walmart, and it does have adjustable shelves, and I thought it would make the perfect size for my dolls that are around 11 inches. And you know, I'm not satisfied with just having them standing displayed, so it did turn into more of a dollhouse project because I did want to give them a scenery and make use of all the doll furniture and accessories I have. So as an overview, 3 of my shelves are for Bratz, 1 of my shelves is for my Liv Dolls, and the last shelf is for my OMG and LOL dolls. So let's get started with the tour. Okay, so at this top shelf, we've got my 2015 Bratz doll collection. I realized I wasn't giving them a lot of love or attention. They were just kind of in their suitcase, so this would be a great opportunity for me to finally put them out on display. So right now they're attending sort of a Coachella type music festival. They're out with this music festival tent that is an official Bratz playset, and I thought it would make sense because, you know, the Bratz run Bratz magazine, and so they're going to Coachella to check out all the hottest looks in fashion, and of course they brought their friends along. So starting here, we've got 2 Adirondack chairs, which were actually candle holders, I believe, and so they make a good size for dolls. I've got Chloe and Raya sitting down. Their feet are by this little campfire, and on the left side of them is a little grill from a miniature section. I also put in an actual painted rock and one of the study abroad suitcases and a Bratz purse on the side. And so I redressed most of these dolls so it fits more of the festival fashion or summery vibes that I wanted to go for. Up at the top, I did put a piñata, just as a fun little wall hanging. And then inside the tent, we've got Cameron and Jade, and they're eating chips. You know, they got a flashlight too, a purse, a guitar, just chilling in the tent. And on the side of the tent, we've got a few more suitcases, some umbrellas, you know, for the sun, and a surfboard in case they want to catch the waves after. So that is my 2015 Bratz section. And of course, in the back, we've got some green wallpaper and also with some cactuses to kind of sell the whole desert look that they're camping out in. So yeah, and now we can move on to our next shelf. So this divider we created to kind of make use of these 2 rooms because I did really want to make a Sweetheart Cafe because I have re-released Sweetheart Megan and original Sweetheart Dana from Bratz, and I love Valentine's Day. I really wanted to give them a space to hang out. So this is the Sweetheart Cafe, not a real thing in the Bratz canon, but you know, I wanted to do it anyways. And so a lot of the wall art is reused from their packaging. And so we'll start on the left side. We've got a DIY menu my sister made. We also have a bunch of other wall hangings, and at the bottom of the floor we've got a little pet cat who is enjoying a little treat. We've also got some Ever After High purses that I'm using as like some presents for them. And at the back wall, we've got a Bratz Sweetheart sign. We've also got 3 lip brushes from 2015 Bratz that are in the colors dark pink and red. I thought they could make great wall decorations because, you know, as doll collectors, we have so many brushes. I need to figure out some uses for them. And in the back, I've got some off-brand Barbie furniture. It makes a great cabinet and it's the perfect colors, pink and white. In that same set came this pink and white table and chairs, which is what I'm using for my Bratz. And on the table, I've got a lot of different treats. Some are from Barbie, some from Ever After High, some from Bratz, and some are erasers. I've also got some utensils, cups, flip phones, ice cream, all of that, and a rose and a little menu here. And of course my dolls are in their full sweetheart get-ups with additional jewelry and accessories. And on the right side, on the floor, we have a LOL box that I used as sort of another gift box, and I filled it with a bunch of doll-size pink accessories so it looks like they are exchanging gifts. And additionally, on this side, we've got a divider from Barbie, a poster of Miss Celebrate from OMG, another Bratz sign, and finishing off the room with some pink parasols. So yeah, that is the Sweetheart Cafe. Next, we've got sort of the whole reason I wanted to make this shelf in the first place. When I heard about the re-release of Rock Angelz, I knew I wanted to get at least some of them and give them a rockin' hot spot to hang out. So here is the concert stage. It is pretty crowded in there, especially taking up space is one of the LOL Remix packaging, and I always like how the LOLs sometimes have packaging you could use as furniture for dolls, so that's what I've got going on here. I made it into sort of a speaker for them. On top of that, I've just put some doll brushes and a Bratz Rock Angelz cutout from one of the boxes at the back. I've also got a Bratz boy Ethan redressed. He's playing the piano, a little hard to see, but that was a DIY piano that we made. And on the walls, we've got a silver wallpaper and metal bars that were created out of, crisscrossing some black tape. I also cut out 4 speakers from their packaging to put around the room, and these actually light up. These were from Twister, a little hand sort of game, and they make great stage lights, so I just wanted to put them up there. And of course, with the Rock Angelz, they came with their own stands and microphone stands, so we've just got Jade and Sasha and Eaton as their musical backup. So yeah, that is the Rock Angelz room, and I'll move Sasha out of the way so you can check out on the right side some of the cutouts that I put as sort of the audience. So we've got Chloe and Cameron watching, and on the left side, I put a Rock Angelz poster just to jazz up the scene and put something in on the left side. And that's just from the Rock Angelz DVD. Okay, put Sasha back in here, and we can move on to our next room. So here is the Rock Angelz Backstage, which I knew I wanted to do ever since I got the Rock Angelz recording studio. And yeah, then it just grew from there. So to start off, we've got some red wallpaper and some black and white flooring. Here is Spicy Babe from LOL OMG's box, and I wanted to use it as sort of a dressing room / wardrobe. So I've got a bunch of Bratz and OMG clothes on the rack here. At the bottom, I have an OMG shoebox, some Bratz shoes and Bratz purse. And so here's where they can go in to change. And I put another LOL OMG shirt on there, and some sparkly paper in the back and another poster. Behind there, I've got Spicy Babe's mirror, so the dolls can have a full-length mirror as they're getting ready. Also a small side table for another pair of shoes and a purse. And then the main thing that I feel ties this room together, this is the Monster High Frights Camera Action Vanity, and on there I added even more makeup themed accessories. And so Cameron here is their manager / stylist / makeup artist, and he's ready with his toolkit, ready to cut Roxy's hair and all of that. So yeah, that's Cameron. And this is twins Roxy, who is redressed in Girls Really Rock Chloe's items and some additional accessories, so she is getting ready to rock. And then of course we have the recording booth on there. Here's one like doll-size cassette. There's also an LOL Remix record, and also a DIY Rock Angelz record. So, so they can listen to some tunes while they're getting ready. And of course, we've got a lovely guitar back here. This is actually a magnet, but makes the perfect doll-sized guitar. On here, we've got some real-life artists as posters on the wall to serve as sort of the inspiration for the Rock Angelz, and also, to make it a nice, spunky backstage. We've also got a little side table here that has some liquor and some magazines to keep the Bratz entertained before the show and after the show. And lastly, we've got 2018 Chloe in her original outfit, and she's reading a fashion magazine and sitting on an IKEA chair. So yeah, that is Rock Angelz Backstage. And next we can go to our Liv Dolls section. Again, this is sort of a situation where I felt I wasn't giving my Liv Dolls enough love. I do have some from both my childhood and others that I found at thrift stores. So this was a way for me to put them all together and give them a space. This backdrop came really in handy. It's an IKEA folding dollhouse, and it was super affordable. It's a great size for your dolls who are 11 inches and under. So yeah, let's get into this setup. So this is a Barbie daybed that I have 3 of my Liv dolls sitting on with some pillows as well. They're pretty much in their original outfits. Well, I did switch around some things and switch around some wigs, but pretty accurate to their original release. I also have some World's Smallest board games, Scrabble and Monopoly, so they're having a little game night slash movie night. Hayden's holding some chips, and Katie's holding a little DIY iPad and some soda. And we've also got a Liv guitar right there. And this is actually a pet from Barbie Extra. Just wanted to put him somewhere. Then over here, I've got a Barbie TV. So they're gonna get ready to watch the Barbie Diaries. There's a little DVD for that. Some slippers down there, another side table, which is yet another OMG hat box. Those come really in handy. It's got a working lamp from the dollar store, a envelope, and another LOL magazine. Some more slippers, and here is a Barbie table and chair set. And so some of the foods are originally from there, others are from various different sets. And yeah, so they are getting ready to eat some dinner. And back there I have another Liv doll, and yeah, she's getting ready to join them at the table. In the corner, I've got a doll-sized plant, which is actually a candle, another pair of slippers on the ground just to give it a homely feel, and this DIY refrigerator with a bunch of different stickers to look like magnets, and a working slash spinning doll-sized microwave to finish off this section of the kitchen. So yeah, that is my Liv doll setup. And now we can go to the last level, which is my OMG setup. As you can see, there's a mixture of pets, tots, OMGs, and tweens, and even mini LOLs. So let's get started. So on the walls, we've got some backdrops from LOL dolls. Those come really in handy. They totally enhance the play value, in my opinion. And I also have some LOL packaging as our flooring and some other scrapbook paper as well. I think LOL does a great job with all these patterns and bright colors. So this is meant to be sort of a movie theater slash backstage. So over here we've got Gamma Babes sort of getting ready for a sci-fi film backdrop. We also have a mirror from Sweets just to fill in that spot. And the rest of these wallpapers are from Pink Chick and Tough Dude to sort of sell the movie theater feel with a little diner section and a spot where people can buy their snacks before the movie. So let's get started with who's standing in the back. So we've got Gamma Babe, we've got Sweets with also some angel wings that I bought from Etsy. We've got Spicy Babe, we've got Miss Celebrate, Cool Lev, and then down here I have various LOL Tots and LOL Pets. I don't quite remember their names right now. And I bought this LOL Arcade Heroes boy doll because I really love the packaging. It's a real plastic arcade unit, and I thought that would be the great size for tweens. So we have Aya Cherry playing that arcade game in the movie theater lobby. And up here we've also got a mini LOL roller chick just to find a spot for that. And yeah, so that is my LOL setup for now. And additionally, on the side of my dollhouse, I saw that I had, additional packaging from Pink Chick and Tough Dude, and I wanted to sell this sort of drive-in movie theater kind of scene. So I have both of them here in this parking lot area, all using cutouts from their packaging, and for all of the little scene clips that I got from the LOL movie magic things, I put them on there. A little hard to see, but I strung them up with some ribbon, and so it can look like they are getting ready to watch this movie right here, even though they don't have a vehicle, but it's okay. And yeah, they're just eating some snacks and they have their 3D glasses on, so standing in the parking lot. And so that completes the tour of my 5-shelf unit for my Bratz dolls, Liv dolls, and LOL collection. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up, you can leave a comment, and make sure to check out my Dollstagram. I'll put my username in the description. Thanks for watching, bye-bye!